Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn your Instagram account into private mode. So just log in your Instagram account, then click on your profile icon, then click on settings. Now here guys, click on privacy and security. Here is the option account privacy, private account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your exiting followers won't be affected. So if you want to make your Instagram account is private, select this box. That's it. So we can see business account can't be private. So it's my business account. So to make it private, firstly turn your account into professional mode and then make it private. So click on professional account. Now here click on privacy and security. Now select this box. So this way guys, you can turn your account in private mode, and make sure guys, if you are using business account, so you will be not able to turn your account into private mode. To make private mode your business account, so firstly you turn your business account to personal account and then you can make it private. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.